there, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of Brady by Noriko in the color Marble Brown R. I can already tell this is meant to be kind of a unisex cut. Just because they named it Brady, it's a pretty big hint. Oh my. Well, I can tell you right off the bat that this is not really what I would consider personally my cup of tea, but it is kind of fun. And it looks an awful lot like the product pictures. It's so tall. Like, it's so spiky that I might have to raise the camera up just so you can see it all. Noriko, all your permatease. This wig does have a lot of permatease. You can tell. I mean, look, it defies gravity. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Brady by Noriko looks like on all sides. So yeah, this is definitely short. Fits snug. I would say this one fits like on the very small side of average, like almost petite average. It's quite snug. So if you are a biological male and you're trying to buy this wig, just know that it might be tight on you, because this feels very tight on me. And I've tried on hundreds of wigs, so at this point, you know, I feel like I'm pretty good at gauging these things. Not perfect, but pretty decent. Anyhow, I think the cute cut is awesome. I love this sort of uneven, crazy razor bang thing that's going on. I love all of this gravity-defying layering all over here. Very permateased wig. Oh, I have to take it off because it's so tight, it's making my head sore. So this wig does not have a ton of stretch to it at all. And because it's so short, it's meant to fit very close to the head. So even though it's got a standard cap with a ton of permatease on top, just a ton of permatease, you do get a lace front on this one that goes from here to here. That does not help with the stretch at all. In fact, that will make it a little bit more rigid. And then we have open wefts on the sides and in the back, as well as an extended felt nape. And it adjusts a bit like a bra. Just a ton of permatease though, for real. It's very cute and very unisex. So this is Brady by Noriko in the color Marble Brown R. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. I review tons of stuff. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and to our CysterWigs 2 channel where we talk about color spotlights. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.